Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Physics, where we actually learn physics. So, in this playlist, actually, we are starting with a new chapter. This is actually going to be a second chapter, okay, from the CBSE 11th syllabus. Okay, the name of this chapter would be Units and Measurements. Okay, this video is just gonna be a introduction to this chapter actually. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you what we are actually gonna learn in this chapter. Okay, so basically in this chapter we are going to learn about what exactly physical quantities are. Okay, you will learn about them in the coming videos. Then what are the units of measurements, what are the different systems of units that are used, like there is MKS system, there is a CGS system, FPS system, there is a SI system, etc, etc. Okay, so these are the systems of units that are used. So we will learn about each one of them in details. Okay, at the same time we are also gonna talk about, most importantly, about the SI unit system. Okay, because this is the mostly and internationally accepted system of units. Okay, so that's why we have to understand it very carefully. Okay, so we will learn about that in this chapter. At the same time we are also going to learn about how exactly do we measure lengths, that is distances. Okay, I mean, what if the distances are pretty large, like the distances between the stars, okay, planets, how exactly do you find out the size of a planet, etc, etc. Okay, so all these methods would be learnt in this chapter. Okay, at the same time we are going to see how exactly do we measure small distances, like the size of an atom, nucleus, okay, etc. So all these things we will learn. At the same time we will learn about how exactly we can find out or measure the masses, the time. Okay, so all these things are coming up. At the same time we are also going to learn about what are the dimensions, okay, of a given physical quantity, how exactly we can find out dimensions as well as the dimensional equation, okay, for any physical quantity. Okay, then we will also learn about what are the errors, okay, that can arise in any experiment, what are the different types of errors, okay, how exactly do these errors occur, and what precautions we have to take to, you can say, minimize these errors or avoid this error. But yeah, avoiding is very difficult, but we can minimize it. Okay, or we can use some mathematical calculations to calculate these errors and minimize them also. Okay, so there are these ways actually that we are going to learn in this chapter. At the same time we are also going to learn about what are the significant figures. Again, a very important concept over here. Okay, what is this significant figure? Then we are also going to see how exactly can we round off any number. Okay, rounding off any number, you must know what is rounding off. Okay, like 998 is rounded off to 1000, generally that is what we do. Okay, like 610 is rounded up to 600. So how exactly all these things happen, okay, in a scientific way, okay, in a scientific research arena. So all these things we are going to learn in this chapter. What are the rules of rounding off any number? Okay, so that is what we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, so I think this is it. Okay, this is what we are going to see in this chapter. It's pretty exciting chapter, pretty interesting chapter. Okay, it's, we can say it is the basis of physics. Okay, because these are the things that we are going to use in research. While we are in a research field, we definitely require all these things. Okay, all these rules must be known to us because research involves experiments, measurements, and for doing experiments and measurements you must have a knowledge of units and measurements. Okay, how exactly do we round off, what are the dimensions, etc, etc. All these things must be known to everyone if we are in a research field. Okay, so that is why this is a pretty exciting topic, exciting chapter. Okay, and I hope that all of you are pretty much excited for this chapter, and you will be excited throughout this whole playlist, whole course of this chapter. Okay, so let's see. Okay, in the next video we are going to start with this chapter actually. Okay, so for now I would say bye bye. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.